Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start now. Plug a 20W plus USB-C adapter into the Magsafe puck and connect to power. You want stable current for faster charging, so avoid low-watt adapters. Remove bulky or metal cases because the magnets and magnetic alignment work through slim cases only. That ensures the charger snaps precisely to the iPhone 15. Once done, bring the charger close to the center of the phone's back and let the magnetic ring find its spot. You'll feel and hear a small click when properly seated. After attachment, look at the lock screen to confirm the circular animation and charging percentage. That proves correct alignment and power delivery. If you want longer battery longevity, enable optimized battery charging in settings because wireless heat and continuous charging can age the battery faster otherwise. Make sure to avoid covering vents or using it on soft surfaces that trap heat. Also, once you're charging, monitor temperature. If the phone gets warm, make small adjustments or remove the case to improve thermal dissipation. When charging finishes or you need to move, pull the Magsafe puck straight back off the iPhone 15. Do not twist or yank the cable to protect connectors. If charging didn't start, first check alignment, then clean the phone's back and charger with a dry microfiber cloth. Small debris blocks the magnetic connection. Make sure your adapter provides adequate wattage and test another cable. If problems continue, restart the iPhone and check settings for charging alerts. Contact Apple support only after ruling out adapters and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.